If you are doing 6 figures plus in your wholesale business a year, that's great, but know that you are headed towards your plateau. How do I know this? Because that was me. I got to a point where I was averaging around $150,000 of net profit a quarter, but I couldn't seem to break that mold, and I'm about to tell you exactly why. It is because you are pinpointing an oversaturated market with an outdated pitch that isn't beneficial to 95% of your warm leads. I said it. That is why you only find success with the remaining 5%, but even through that, you still have to beat out other sharks who have the same seller in the same list with the same exact offer that you currently have. But good news, this is an easy fix. Probably the easiest thing you will ever implement, and find that it indeed will generate you 10 times more leads for 10 times more money, all while changing nothing about your marketing and dollar spend. Hell, most of your first deals will probably come out of your dead leads. My name is Trevor Ahing, and I'm the founder of Buyer Beater. It is a Novation-based dispositions company that not only gives you the pitch, the formula, the deal calculator, and the community to close these deals, but also the funds to flip these deals with myself and my team. Yes, you heard that correctly. That is right. You find the deal, I will fund the entire thing. No one else doing Novations has ever or will ever provide this. I also provide your contractor, your on-market top 1% agents, and the entire escrow team to keep you up to speed, so that way when these deals pay out, you make the money you're entitled to instead of making some measly assignment fee from an end investor that would have taken credit for all your hard work and negotiation skills. You, as a wholesaler, now get to offer your seller on average $26,000 to $85,000 more depending on your market. You utilize our money and our team to move these deals to the finish line. Your assignment fee averages 3 times what it would have been with a lowball cash offer, and we can do as many as your little wholesale heart desires. If it's a good deal, we got the dough, which means more profit in your pocket for you and your seller. Start being ethical and moral and start giving these sellers exactly what you know they deserve, and make way more money doing it. And if that's not enough, after we help you close your second deal, we will pay you back the entirety of your initial investment to us. You literally have nothing to lose if you actually plan to scale your business to 7 figures with our team. We only make money when you make money. This is a team effort. Stop poking around the fact that you want massive wealth in real estate and start taking action on this opportunity that will place you at the top of your game in whatever market that you are currently in. Don't do me a favor, do yourself a favor and take action to be able to transform your real estate career starting right now.